With trade disputes already bedeviling relations between Washington and Beijing, a group of U.S. lawmakers wants to shine a light on another thorny topic: China's treatment of Uyghurs and other minority groups within its borders.
We're not talking about American values here. We're talking about universally recognized human rights to which the Chinese government has pledged itself to. And they are in gross violation of human rights on a myriad of subjects that needs to be held to account.
The hope? That President Trump will press the issue directly with President Xi.
I hope so. I hope he not only mentions it, I hope he pushes it very, very aggressively. He has been tough on trade. It is now time for the president to be very tough on human rights abuse.
Smith, a New Jersey Republican, has introduced bipartisan legislation demanding China's internment camps be closed, that America's intelligence and diplomatic resources be mobilized to document the treatment of Uyghurs and other groups, and that human rights abusers face possible U.S. sanctions. Florida Republican Senator Marco Rubio is pushing similar legislation.
The more light we can shine on it, the more attention is paid to it. Their public global perception of China is something their Communist Party is very sensitive to.
The Trump administration says it is committed to the issue.
The United States and the international communities will continue to express our concerns with respect to China's repression of religious groups and Christian, Buddhists, and 800,000 to possibly millions of Muslims that have been denied their freedoms.
For years, China has rejected criticism of its treatment of minority groups. A Ministry of Foreign Affairs spokesperson recently said that U.S. lawmakers should do a better job for minorities in America before venturing into another country's internal affairs. Michael Bowman, VOA News, Washington.